Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why I ignore all of the ink low warnings on my Roland BN2. So here's the thing. My utility has been telling me for days, and I have been printing for days and days and days. You see this? I printed 3 of these, okay? This is all ink. It's solid. As you can see, total color. Had the ink warning the whole time. So the reason that I do not put in new ink until it literally stops the printer is because, first of all, it keeps running when it says that you have low ink. And second of all, when you do run out of ink, you can put the new ink cartridges in mid-print, and it doesn't even leave a line, it doesn't stop printing, and it just picks right back up with printing. It's like one of the greatest things that the Roland has ever done. Well, maybe not one of the greatest things, but it's a really cool feature. Let me show you exactly how this works. I am going to print 4 banners, and I am telling you that in the middle of one of them, it is going to run out both my black and my cyan, my blue. So I'm going to need to replace those, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Here we go.
Okay, so obviously I sped this up a lot, but here we are, printing the first one, going strong. Look at these bright colors, gorgeous colors. And I'm thinking, okay, any second now, it's going to stop. Nope. On to the second one. You can see this one, tons of green. I actually didn't love part of that design. Just wait. Now we're on to the third one. Each of these banners is 20 inches wide by 60 inches long. And now we are on to the fourth one. Oh, I'm now reprinting that green one that I didn't love the first time around. I still have not replaced the ink. I mean, this is absolutely insane how long this prints with a low ink warning, which continues to be there, continues to print, perfect. As you can see, my ink cartridges are still up there.
Okay, so I have now printed. I originally told you I had 4 banners to print. I had to stop recording because it kept printing and printing and printing. I still, as you can see, have not changed out the blue or the black ink. Now look at this. I printed 5 60-inch, 5-foot banners. I printed 5 of them. That is 25 feet of banner material I printed, and it told me that I had low ink. I mean, this is absolutely insane how much you still get. Oh my gosh, it's all getting wrinkled. I'm gonna have to put this on a roll. But this is absolutely insane. If you were to listen to that warning and swap out your ink because it says you have low ink, you would be wasting so much ink every single time. It would be ridiculous, especially because you can swap them in when it does tell you that it's out and not have any interruption to your print. It just literally picks back up. Unbelievable. All right, guys, if you want more tips, tricks, and tutorials, make sure that you subscribe. And if you're looking for one-on-one same-day support for your Roland or anything else that you see on my channel, whether it's a UV printer, sublimation printer, silhouette, laser, sewing, I do offer all of that same-day support through Silhouette U, and there is a discount code in the description below. See you soon.